how to make Google Calendar public. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar public. This is useful if you want to share your schedule with colleagues, classmates, or even publish events for a wider audience. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. On the left side, under My Calendars, you'll see all the calendars linked to your account. Hover over the calendar you'd like to share, and then click on the three dots More Options next to it. From the drop-down, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the detailed settings page. Now scroll down to the section called Access Permissions for Events. Here, you'll see an option that says Make Available to Public. Go ahead and check this box. Once you check it, you'll get a confirmation pop-up warning that making your calendar public means anyone can see your events. Confirm to proceed. You can also decide how much detail to share. In the drop-down next to it, choose whether people can only see if you're FreeBusy or see all event details. If you'd like to share a direct link, scroll further down to the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you'll find a public URL that you can copy and share with anyone. And that's it. You've successfully made your Google Calendar public so others can view your events.